Hi, this is Silent Origami and welcome to my new video. Today I've learned how to fold this new version of Origami Box. You can also use it on your desk to organize your space and put some small items in here. So yeah, and it's really simple to fold. You're gonna need a square sheet of origami paper. You can use regular kami paper or use other paper with different sizes, but it should be square. So if you want to see me fold one, here it comes. And this model is really similar to my previous video, Origami Basket, so you can check that out right here. So now you want to tuck these corners underneath. And now just open it. And there you have it. An amazing origami box. Really simple, really fast, really useful. So yeah, like this. I like this. So thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for liking and commenting. If you're not already my subscriber, please click here to subscribe. Also click here to watch my previous video. And see you next time. My origami is silent. What about yours?